Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So in this video here we're going to be showing you how we prune our tomato plants. So what pruning our tomato plants does is it helps get more airflow in, and it also helps with blights and diseases. It helps with stronger, more fruit on your plants here. So anything that looks like it has any type of blight or disease, we go ahead and we cut that completely out. That whole leaf comes off.
Here?
Yeah. And we cut them off back at the base. So these are going to get sprayed then once this is all pruned up. But what my mom is doing here is she's cutting off these big leaves. That was, well, the one that was right there. Hold on here. Let's find another one here.
I can move down.
Yeah. Let's move down some here. Yeah, I want to show them a little bit of a bigger growth point here. Let's move down here some.
Okay.
So you can see here, whoops, that's okay. This is just starting to branch off. And what this will do is this will produce another branch for us, and it'll give us more tomatoes. So we don't need that leaf on there. That leaf is just sucking energy out of the plant. So we go ahead and we take those leaves off, and that's going to focus more of the energy into the plant, into tomato producing. And you can see we have beautiful tomatoes hanging on here. So you can see here is your new stem that's coming out here. And this branch here, this leaf here, isn't doing anything but taking energy out of the plant. So we don't need that on there. And when this is all done, the tomatoes really look bare. So we do let some of the leaves on, so we do not wind up with sun scald on our tomatoes. These here could have had a few extra leaves left on them, but you know, these will still grow, and as this grows out, it's going to provide more shade. But yeah, letting some of the leaves on, like this right here, has some nice covering to it, so that'll help prevent sun scald there. Hi, Tiger. Tiger. And when you prune your plants, it also helps to lessen the load on the plants themselves. Like, it helps eliminate some weight. Because when you start getting all your tomatoes on, these start getting really heavy. The plants do. It can start buckling your fences. So sometimes you have to reinforce your fences. And sometimes, depending on where your tomatoes are at, how big they are, how heavy they are, you do have to use some tomato twine and help support the tomato fruits that are hanging on. So I hope that you found this video helpful.